there should be nobody else you'd even think about choosing but Wise Builders. The fact that they stay with you the entire time, that they advise you the entire time, that they're professional throughout the whole process. They were always willing to communicate with me throughout the entire process and really to urge me to have patience with my insurance company and with the entire process of how this was supposed to go. I had no experience. Even though I may be 70 years old, I still have never put on a new roof. And so I had no experience with this at all, and it didn't matter. They were able to guide me throughout the entire process from beginning to end. Very professional. My experience working with the Wise Builders team was positive from day one. The number one aspect of that was their patience. Their patience with me, but particularly their patience with my insurance company. A process that we thought was going to be quick and easy was definitely not. And I was definitely told over and over again that this was not unusual and just to be patient. And it took about 7 months of patience with an insurance company, but never for a moment did anyone from Wise Builders say, you know what, this is just too much, too long. They just stuck with me throughout the entire process. From Isaiah, who was here from day one all the way through the end of the process and managed everything for us, the approach from everyone I've been in contact with has been very personal and never a moment of pressure to make one decision over another. Simply, what did I want? And to me, that was an overwhelming reason to choose Wise Builders.